Well, they removed all the stitches except for one. There is one area of concern. Remember, this is the radiated side, which takes a while to heal. And one area is it's not infected, but it is, has a little ooze to it. And so I was able to see actually Dr. Salora today. So right now I'm going to be like putting a spray on it and covering it with the Band-Aid. It's two areas, but one is more of a dry and one is a little wet. So I'm going to be doing that, and I'm going to be going back next Wednesday. So, it depends how it's looking. And the good thing about me going back next Wednesday, guys, I'm driving, is that I go and see my next surgeon on next Wednesday morning. And then in the afternoon, then I go back and have that one remaining stitch removed. So that's the latest, guys.